Back to our top story tonight. Come to our offices for questioning or face prosecution. Those were the new orders delivered by the Kenyan opposition leader Raila Odinga by the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission. Now, the detectives of the commission delivered the summons to Raila's offices amid drama and tension, as Raila's allies claimed the government was engaging in intimidation. KTN'S associate editor Noah Otieno now reports.
A day after the Kenyan opposition leader Raila Odinga stated categorically that he would not be honoring the summons to appear before the Anti-Corruption Commission over the sovereign bond saga, the anti-graft detectives invoked their police powers. Drama ensued immediately they arrived at Raila's Nairobi offices in Upper Hill. Officers sent to deliver new orders to Raila reportedly sent a panic message to their colleagues that they had been detained at Raila's office. Reinforcements came from the EACC's Integrity Center police station and blocked Raila's gate. The anti-corruption detectives, however, delivered their new orders, demanding that Raila Odinga reports to their integrity offices to give statements and any evidence he has over the claims of loss of up to 140 billion Kenya shillings of the sovereign bond cash. The new orders by EACC Chief Inspector Frederick Mwangi read in part that in exercise of the powers conferred to me under Section 52 of the National Police Service Act No. 11A of 2011, I require you to attend before me at the Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission Headquarters Police Station on 14th December 2015 at 10 a.m. without fail, and be warned that failure to comply with the above requisition will render you liable to prosecutions. Raila's lawyer Paul Mwangi confirmed the summons, with Siaya Senator James Orengo terming the summons as intimidation from the government.
Statements are recorded from witnesses, whatever they are. And that is a good practice, because witnesses, when they give statements, they should give it in an atmosphere that is comfortable and is not in circumstances where it looks like they're being compelled.
Then issuing him with the letters and notices that are of an adverse nature is a false start.
Raila Odinga insists he will not honor the summons, daring EACC to arrest him.
So it is laughable. This commission actually is not a serious commission. These officers themselves are party to commission of crime in the country. And therefore I've got very little respect for this commission. And therefore I will not be intimidated by this commission.
Unable to drive out because of the contingent of officers at his gate, the court leader and his allies walked out on foot and went to the nearby sports club. Noah Otieno, KTN'S.